What up, guys? I'm here. Just met up with the customers. I had a meeting with them talking about health. A lot of these wealthy CEOs, investment banker, venture capitalists, investment or whatever, like investors, all those top financial people, like people on the high level people that are into health, they all need longevity. They don't care how much money they make. They care about their health. They want to live longer, look younger too. So a lot of stuff going on, and California is just getting worse and worse. And people are just doing side hustle to get by these days. I'm here in Fountain Valley. It's been super busy, just meeting so many people. Women Tech Conference, cybersecurity, meeting so many people. Everybody's into health. Talk to those people and super excited. And it's getting it just you gotta put into work, and nothing is gonna come easy. It's getting worse and worse in California. Gas is getting expensive. Food is gonna go up the rise. You can't just sit and point fingers or blame things at people or blame the government or the president. It is what it is. It's getting worse and worse, and they don't care about you. The president, the government, no one's gonna help you. For you to change, you have to get up and be accountable. If you don't like where you're at in life, get up and do something about it. And also you have to dress up to network people. You cannot wear like t-shirts and a hat. But I'm just wearing a t-shirt because I just met with customers. But when I go like networking, I have to wear like a dress up button and black pants and a nice dress shirt to go network people. And that's when people take you seriously and they don't mess around. So it's really getting bad. And restaurant is going to be going out of business. Papa John's going out of business. A lot of restaurants going out of business because people are really tight with money and people are spending max out the credit card just to get by these days. And I tell people, take care of your health. Health is everything. You take care of your health, you'll be financially not stressed, and the quality of life you're gonna have is much better. So take care of your health. Health insurance is expensive. People don't need those kind of stuffy cars, whatever, like luxury stuff. You don't need it. People need essential food, your vitamins, your complete body, whatever, your supplements, stuff like that. And I had a long time with my mentor, and he gave me so many good advice. And I just want to thank him that things will be better if you're willing to change your life around and help people, and be a service for other people, be a service to others, and more blessing will come to you. And it's just crazy how many people are like really want to meet up with me. I'm just so many phone calls and just changing people's life, and that's the best feeling. You can go to sleep peacefully. Now I'm not hurting people, just help more people, so they don't have to be going through like aches and pains and stuff like that. And a lot of people are really deficiency of vitamins. A lot of people are vitamin deficiency, and just excited to go out there and change people's life. It's really hot, been really hot in California these days, super hot. I'm talking about like 9 degrees, 100 degrees last week, and I left a networking event last week, like 7 o'clock at night, and spend time with your family. And there's a lot of people, and then I went to the Senior Health Expo. I've been going to this trade shows, networking and stuff like that. I see a lot of young people, the grandkids, don't even visit the grandparents at the senior citizen or retirement home, and don't spend time with the loved ones. When your loved one dies, you cannot replace it anymore. It's too late. When someone dies, you can't go back on your phone, and then when you go on your phone book or your contact list on your phone, you cannot call them again. It's too late already. And the people have most regret because nobody's here having human interaction in this world anymore. So you gotta take your time and spend time with your loved one, even though you hate them. It doesn't matter. So you just forgive people and rekindle that family relationship, and the stuff happens, from the past, and you never know. You can change the way you live, the quality of life. It's just talking to people, even though you don't believe in the whatever, the left or right or politics, it don't matter. It is how life is, and it's crazy with the world we live in with inflations, housing market. Nobody can achieve anything anymore. It's gonna get really bad so you gotta don't give up and just keep going after it and just network. And I've been seeing a lot of better results when I do like face-to-face networking, like interaction with people, than social media. Social media, my conversion less than 2%. I don't have to pay. I don't have to do advertising. When I go networking, face-to-face interaction, one-on-one meetings, my conversion more than like 15-20% conversion rate. And I've been doing good because I love to help people and educate people, giving value to them. And then when they're giving value, I was like, I want to meet up with him. And like, yeah, this guy knows what he's talking about. I want to change my health around and overcome my health challenges in life. And it's just crazy. Like, a lot of people are dying left and right. People don't live long anymore. So you got to take care of your health right now. And people are into uh, health and wellness industry is recession proof because people want to live for longevity of life. And then that's when a CEO of a big company wants to get lunch with me, but so busy. But when the tax season's over, we're going to get something to eat in this network and talk about family and like seeing your family grow up, see your grandparents grow up, and then spend time with your loved ones, stuff like that. So pretty exciting stuff going on. Just staying busy, helping people, and get super excited just helping people. You know that you're doing good things for humanity and living a legacy and just change people's life. And we don't have people like me anymore, like to go out there and change people's life around and be a good person. And all these network marketing, multi-level marketings, I always come across with kind of people, but I stay away from those people because they ruin people's life. And it's a cult, like a mind. They just like when they drink the Kool-Aid, they're like getting fired up and getting people sucked into those business opportunities. It's only money opportunities. It's not for an average person to make money. So you're hurting your reputation, and people get a bad rep in this industry. That's why I'm against network marketing, because multi-level marketing, it's hard to make money in those any niche you're in. Doesn't matter if you're in the wellness industry, in life insurance. It's a lot of work. You're making the CEO rich and the company rich. You'll never make money. You're doing all the hard work and making them rich while you're suffering. That's why I'm against multi-level marketing and network marketing. And thanks to my mentors, like just tell me straight up forward, no sugarcoating. Just stick with this business, helping people, and I promise you'll make so much money. Not just money, but you'll bless so many people's lives, and the quality of life you have. People will give you the gifts that you save people's life and how you make them feel. So that's my message today. You wonder why I wasn't been making YouTube videos. It's been busy. Spend time with my family and building my business, just following up people, doing face-to-face, one-on-one meetings, and which I'm so excited. And then the customers, when they feel the results, they feel a difference, and how they look, they go tell other people, referrals. And I met so many people who started as entrepreneurs, and then they get a customer. They never pay a dime for advertising. That's what happened when I go networking with people. I meet all these successful people, wealthy CEOs, multi-millionaire companies, and then I met them, and then now they want to get lunch with me. How crazy life works when people use me, and I take accountability for being an idiot, and I took that change, and like, man, I'm tired of my life, so I took that initiative and changed my life around. You know what? I gotta hold myself accountable and went after it, and now things changed by following up people and surrounding myself with successful people. And what we have in common is that we bleed the same, and we have a 24-hour in a day. No one's better than you. Just because they're rich doesn't mean they're better than you. We sleep the same, we eat the same. Your health is important. Those are the common things we have as humans and animals. We only have one life to live. Tomorrow's not promised, so you gotta take care of your health in the beginning. Don't wait till the last minute when you're in the deathbed. That's the worst situation you ever want to be in. You don't want to be in that position. So take care of your health and invest in your health right now. Don't wait 10 minutes from now, tomorrow. So it's going to get bad. The economy's going to get bad. But even though the economies get bad, you got to get into the position of a industry that's recession proof, that's really helping people about health and wellness and anti-aging business. Those are the recession proof business. You want to hop on that and to help people. If you find what you're passionate about and find out what you're really good, find out what you're really good at, and solve people's problem. And I promise you will have success and champion people's life. You chase the vision, chase the dream, and the money will follow. Changing people's life around the world, global. not just national. You got to think about the whole world. So since the war's going on, it affects the whole economy. So you got to think about the global economy, what people needs in the consumer. So I realized you got to go to B to C, it means business to consumer, helping everybody from all walks of life. And hope this helped you. I hope you learned something from my message. If you like this, give me a thumbs up. I'll see you guys soon. I got to get back on the road. I got to make more phone calls. I got to follow with people that I haven't followed with, those people that I met on this event last week. And there's so many networking events. This week, I met some people from Florida and Miami, and they want to meet up with me before they fly back and forth to California, to Florida. And then I met some people in the tax industry, tax strategists. So, see you guys soon. Hope you have a wonderful day. Coming to you from sunny California, Fountain Valley. It's too hot. I gotta turn my AC 6 degrees and put on max this thing out to cool myself down and drink more water and stuff like that. And see you guys soon. Bye.